Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Echo. Today, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing, which is something I haven't done, I don't think ever, besides the PC. I did do an unboxing for my microphone and my other stuff, but I forgot to upload it, and I decided not to upload it because it was pretty bad. It really wasn't worth it because I really didn't think anything I had that I unboxed was worth covering. It literally, I got a microphone, and what else did I get? I got a clip to hang my mic on, and I got a thing that goes over the mic. There wasn't much going on there, but today we are going to be unboxing this headset right here, the Corsair H250, which is, in my opinion, and the opinion of many other gamers, probably one of the, I guess you could say, standard gaming headsets. It's not bad, it's not the best, but it's what you would expect a gamer to have. So we have, first off, after just straight up opening it up, we have this. As you can see from there, we open this up. We have these cables. One of them goes to Xbox, or I think. Actually, no, it's not. It's not an Xbox one. It's just a dual thing for a microphone and headset, and then you have the actual microphone, which you can remove and have at the same time. You can remove it, or you can have it on. That's what I was trying to say. Sorry. It's actually really difficult to get out, but we have the actual headset, which looks very clean, as you can see from this. It almost resembles the HyperX one with how this thing is framed. You see, it's very similar. So if we take all this wrapping off, we have the the Corsair HS50. Looks very clean. It's left like this. It is actually a kind of noise canceling, which is very unique for a headset that can go on PlayStation, PC, PS4, or PlayStation, PC, Xbox One, or even your little phone. It can be used just as a normal headset or as a gaming headset. This band is flexible, very flexible, as you can see. I'm not trying that hard. I'm just doing this because I don't want to do anything. It has the adjustable sound here, and it has a microphone. You can disable or enable your microphone. Also has this port right here. Oh, I just opened my blinds. As you can see, you can plug in, let me show you. This right here, there's a little cap that goes over it. You could put it on. I'm trying to see. Put it on there if you're not using it, and you can take it off if you are. Put the microphone in. For now, we're going to leave it because I don't really use my microphone. I use my actual microphone. So yeah, it is very comfortable. Right off the bat, I don't feel like there's any tension or something. There is a little tension on the top because it has been in a box, but there's no how can I say? It's not uncomfortable. It's very comfortable, and I can hear myself, but I can't. It's not too much, so I'm dying. And I just plugged it in real quick. I'm going to test it because obviously you guys are going to hear this. I'm going to watch Blaze highlights. But also, actually, before we get into that, I do want to explain to you guys. I changed my name to Blaze for a very specific reason. I didn't change it to Blaze for no reason at all. I changed it to Blaze because I've had experiences, actually recently, where I've been trying to get affiliated with someone, and I type in, they're like, what's your YouTube channel? So I put in Echo, and it's supposed to auto search for my channel. I put in the Echo with the smiley face that I have, the special character. It doesn't work, so just type in Echo. It comes up with someone with no subscribers and 4 videos, or no subscribers, no videos, or he has no subscribers, 60 videos. Yeah, he has no profile picture, just Echo undercase, and I'm like, how? They've never done anything. I don't get it. But Yeah, you guys won't see it, but I just want to listen to it, see how it sounds. I'm going to adjust the audio as I go. And then okay, one thing I could say right off the bat, you guys don't hear this in the background because I muted my desktop audio. But one thing right off the bat you could tell is there's a lot of bass in these. As you can tell, I'm going to read some of the specifications off of the box. It does have 50 millimeter neodymium. Sorry, I sound special right now. Speaker drivers. You know what's really stupid is that I actually know what that is, but I don't know how to say it. I never knew how to say it. It does have a really good frequency response. The sensitivity is okay. The microphone, however, is it's supposed to be really good. So what we're going to do really quick, I'm going to actually stop the recording and try it with this microphone. Try it recording with this. But first of all, as you can see, there is a little bit of tape here, but I'm going to take that off later. You see, this is the headset, and we're going to plug it in right here. I'm actually going to turn it around so you can see. So as you can see, it's very like it's not something you would notice. So like if I was on stage, it wouldn't be in the way or something like that. So if I'm like broadcasting, or if I'm like trying to compete in an ESL competition, it wouldn't get in the way. So yeah, this is actually a really good microphone, especially if you are a streamer. Like, let's say Hamlin's. Hamlin's, you guys, I'm pretty sure most people know who Hamlin's is. Obviously, the whole thing, oh, he's sus. Well, here's the thing. He has his microphone in front of him, his main microphone. And then he has his headset microphone that he uses for, like, game chat and stuff like that. So this is, like, the perfect, like, this is one of the better headsets for that. Because you can play, and then if you're like, well, I want to mute my microphone, you can just mute that. You can also tell when it's muted. Unlike some microphones that just have like you hit it's on and off, and you have to tell on the computer whether it's on or off. But this one is really good. I do like this headset. I will be upgrading one day, but this is a huge step because before, if you guys watched me before, I used to use not BenQ. I used to use Blackweb headsets. Or it was a Blackweb headset, and it was pretty good. The only problem with it was that it was kind of big. It would go over my entire ear, and like sometimes if I wanted to bring it to school, I'd get in the way. So like, it has a super long cable. This thing has a cable that you can not retract, but you can fold it up, and it looks really good. It's very clean, and it has and you can remove the microphone. So if I'm like at school or something, I could just use it like this. I don't have to have the headset attached, which is very helpful because sometimes I do go places and I want good quality sound, and I don't want to have to use my gaming headset, but I don't want to use my earbuds because I need sound. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is my new headset, the Corsair. This is the HS50, as you guys can see. It is around $50-ish. So if you're looking for a good, solid gaming headset on a budget, this is the headset I would recommend. This or the Logitech, the G32s? I could be very wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure it's G30 something, but I think that's the mouse. No, that's definitely the mouse. Audio. It's the $30 headset. Yeah, it's the G332 or the G432, whichever one you want. The G332 is $60. The G432 is $70. And if you need something cheaper, and you don't have a lot, maybe like the G430 or the G230. Those are some good headsets, and this obviously You can also get this as a wireless one, which is very cool. But I don't really care for wireless right now. It's not really on my priority list. I just need a headset that I can do what I need to do with it. And what's actually really good about this, I can put this on and it feels like it fits perfectly. Okay? But I can also, if you want to, you can extend it. But for me, I don't really need to extend it. I can extend it a little bit so it looks a little bit better. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy. Make sure to, if you want to buy a cheaper headset, make sure to come back to some videos. I will be actually reviewing, or not reviewing, I will be going through lists in my next Echo podcast. The next Echo podcast will come out soon. The reason why I hadn't really announced it was because the first Echo podcast came out with the wrong, I used the wrong editing software, and it had a thing over it, and I didn't want to just be like, that's my podcast with the thing over it. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.